Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to add or connect contacts on TikTok. So if you have TikTok installed on your phone, you should be able to sync up your contact list. So if that's what you want to do, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the TikTok application if it's not already open, and you want to select the profile icon at the bottom right. Now up at the top, you want to select where it says add friends. There may also be a little person icon up here instead. Just go ahead and left click on that. And then at this point, go ahead and select where it says search by name or username. However, you can also sort by contacts on your list on your phone. So select find contacts. You have to give TikTok permission to access your contact list. I'm not going to set that up at this time, but you can also do the Facebook friend list as well if you give TikTok permission to access your Facebook account. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. You can also invite friends by just downloading the link to your profile. And that's pretty much it. Also that QR code option that we saw. So pretty straightforward. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.